Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is Veldog's Kitchen, and you're cooking with me, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopping block we got catfish fillets, and also I'm going to be making spaghetti. Now with this spaghetti, I'm using an Aldi brand. You don't have to use Aldi brand, you can use any brand that you want to use. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. So I have an onion, I have a bell pepper, I have butter, because I'm going to also be making garlic bread. Then I have Italian seasoning right here. This is about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to dump that up in there, sprinkle it up in there. Got some black pepper, that's like a teaspoon of that. Granulated onion powder, teaspoon and a half. So keep in mind I'm not making Italian style spaghetti. Granulated garlic, teaspoon. Flavor enhancer, this is called accent salt. Okay, that's why I'm gonna use some of this in there. And I have kosher salt. So this is like a teaspoon and a half of that. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with this bell pepper. Slice that up. I'm going to gut that out. Taking out that red meat. Oh, forgot my garbage bag. About to throw stuff away and it's not a garbage bag in there. Wash my hands again. Don't want no cross-contamination going on with the meat. Okay, got my paper towel, hands clean. Okay. Is that clean? Is that clean? Okay, we good? Alright. So we're going to go ahead and throw that piece of red meat away. Take out the other one. Hold it like that. Put your 2 fingers in there. Hold your thumb at the top of the stem. And just pull. Just like that. Take all the excess out. You got seeds. You may want to take that out. All the little seeds that's on the board, keep those to the side. Okay. We want to take this and cut this up in a particular way. It just depends on how you want your vegetables in your spaghetti, your meat sauce. Some do thin, some do real thin, some do thick. Sometimes I even throw zucchini in it. So that's all I'm doing. Watch your knuckles. Pull that to the side. Pull them close together. Take your knife and go to the edge like so. Come down and start cutting. Watch your knuckles. When you get to the end, you got this little curve. Just go in the middle of it. Okay? Just that simple. It's that simple, guys. It's not rocket science and that. Throw that in the pot along with all the seasonings. Get the other half of the bell pepper that we sliced up. Okay, just got done finishing with the other half. Seeing how I did the first half. So we're going to take this bad boy to the eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, got this on the stove. We'll go ahead and start incorporating this stuff together. Mixing this stuff up. Well, we might want to turn on the eye first, huh? So we'll turn on the eye. Put it on about medium high just to get it going first. Start incorporating some of these seasonings and this bell pepper into this. Ground beef. This is ground chuck. I don't use ground beef because it's got too much fat into it. And as you can well tell from the video, I'm kind of chunky. So I'm trying to slim slow, not fast, because when you slim too fast, you get the sag. And I don't want the sag, so I'm losing at least rapidly, monthly, probably like about 3 or 4 pounds. So that's cool with me. I ain't gotta lose weight that quickly. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate this, get this stuff going ahead and cooking. And in the meantime, between time, I already got my grease going for my fish, as you will see. I'm gonna go ahead and take an onion, this onion right here that I have, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut that and put it in my grease. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of it off like so. So we just throw that in there and let it sit. Also, get your plate together. I got a plate with some paper towel, a paper lining, and some foil. So this helps keep the fish temperature correct and drain the grease out the fish, okay? All right, so I'm gonna sit this to the side. While this going, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my fish. So I'll meet you back over at the station, and I'll be right back, all right? You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this fish. Go ahead. This is from Louisiana seasoning pack. The breadcrumb is already pre-seasoned. Says seasoning on the bag right here. So I'm gonna dump that in this bowl right here. This garlic package. I'm gonna take my fish, I'm gonna wash it off, and I'm gonna put it in here and toss it around. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this fish up in here. Give that a toss. We're gonna have to do individually for these. They're kind of big. So I'm gonna toss that around. And that's one of them. And tossed around. Maybe I have to put it in something. See, I told you fish, I don't do fish. Maybe I need some milk or something. Put that in or something. Try to do this again. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and try something different. Okay, when I tried to coat this fish, it didn't coat right, so I just put a little milk in it. Throw it on the back side. Shake it up. Not the fish, man. Don't do fish. Let's see how it looks. Looks like it's coating good. So I'm gonna take this over here and set this in there. Coat this all up in there. Salt that up. Take it. Twist it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start cutting up this garlic bread. Well, the bread for the garlic bread. Okay, I don't like this knife. I like everything easy does it. So I'm going to get something else. So this is what I'm doing. Should be more than enough right there for the amount of people I'm trying to feed. Take me some butter. Just go on there like that. Let your butter become room temperature almost. Just soften. You can microwave it if you wanted to. Then I'll take my other butter, the butter, shake it up, and just go over it a little bit like so. Garlic, it's right here. A little bit of this because it got some salt in it. And we'll come with the garlic. Take you a little Italian, put it in your hand or whatever, or you can just sprinkle it over there. I'll just sprinkle it. So it's garlic bread. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, boil it, brown it up, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, thank you for tuning back in. Okay, I'm done cooking this food. It's done. This is fish and spaghetti and garlic bread. So, you know what that is.
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw, that's right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned in with me where I'll be making something new all the time. And once again, sorry about not putting the video up. I've been working on trying to get me a business going, and it will be coming out pretty soon. It's going to be called Vale's Kitchen. Veil Dog's Kitchen. So stay tuned in for that, and I'll see you guys next time. And thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please do share this video. Thank you. Veil Dog signing out.